God bless you. God bless you, everyone. God bless you, everybody. God bless you. My name is King Jeff AGK. His Royal Highness AGUGBAOLA is NDI, one of United Arab Emirates. The man that believes in the truth, the oracle of Most High God, the man that speak and God answered. The way it was in the time of Moses. I want to drop a short message and a short prayers the way it led in my heart when I was praying this afternoon. And I know the God of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob, the God that answered by fire, will surely answer. I have a meeting to attend, but I had to pause this meeting because the tears have still refused to finish in my eyes because of what is happening to Nigeria by vampire leaders, by blood-sucking demon leaders. I am not the man that say without a name or without a point. Pharaoh, let my people go. Pharaoh, let my people go. He refused. So many things happened to him, he refused. Until one day, just one day, the blood of innocent souls in Nigeria, in so many states, in so many places you have killed, Buhari will haunt you and your family. You will never know peace in your life. You stay in Nigeria as a father of Nigeria, as a president. I know by now, whatever Tinubu is, he will be so ashamed and disappointed, so disappointed at you. He will be so disappointed because Tinubu is not a bloodsucker at all. He invested his money in a bloodsucker. He invested his money in a vampire. I know Tinubu is not a vampire. I know that for sure. But he never knew that this is the evil you have in mind as a president. You want to revenge the innocent people that have not done anything to you. And then the people that were asking you to be failing your election all this time, you will be coming out for a president. I don't know what happened to Nigerians. God have already opened our eyes to see this coming. I said this before. All the people that listen to the message I dropped on the same media before, when this man was coming out for election, the same man shamelessly still preaching about 2019. And you have the guts to tell people about 2019. Look at innocent soul in Benue State. There is the one I saw. I could not even put food in my mouth for complete some days. Innocent souls. That people that don't even know the meaning of president. They don't even know the meaning of government. You waste them for nothing. Your son having a bike accident, you think he will survive it. Even if he survive it, there will be some senses in him that will never be correct again.